Hello and welcome to the 7th assignment for Access. This is 7A. You can also open up your project and complete it in tandem with mine and just pause this video as you complete yours. I have the instructions printed, so I will just follow my instructions and complete the project here. So we'll get right into it. The first step says to create a new form in Design View. So create form design. Open the property sheet for the new form. So if it wasn't already open, click property sheet. And then set the record source for the form to States and Billboards query. B, add the location, city, state name, illuminated, DEC, and type fields in that order to the form in the approximate location shown in Figure 1. So we'll close the property sheet, open up the Add Existing fields, and we're going to add in these. Alright, so I just moved them all into place according to Figure 1. C says adjust the sizing of the controls so that they match, meaning you're going to have to select these guys. So I just click one, click and hold my shift button to select the rest in tandem, and then I just want to hit my arrow when it is facing left and right and pull it out to just before 4, which is what Figure 1 shows me. D, add the billboard ID field to the form. That's this one here in the approximate location. Looks about right. Except I need to move this one a little bit further back, so I'll click on the little gray box at the top here, which moves them independently of one another. Alright, now save the form as States and Billboard Record Source Form. Alright, and close that down. Number 2, open the State Master form in Design View. 2A says add a title. So we'll click up here on the title. That's the proper name according to Figure 2. So we're just going to click outside. 2B, expand the form header section to the approximate location shown in Figure 2. So we're going to wait till we get that thick black horizontal line and the arrow is pointing up and down, and expand it out about right there. We want to see that 1 inch over here. Change the background color of the detail section. That's this guy right here. So we'll close down the field list, open up the property sheet, and make sure that it says detail here. Back color. Click 3 dots. In the standard colors palette, you'll see you need to find the first column, second row. So the first column, second row, like gray one. Save and close. Number 3, open the Advertiser Master form in Design View. Add a combo box. Okay, so look on Figure 3 to see where to put that combo box. And we'll go combo box, and we'll add it in right here. And we'll follow the steps. So 3A says ensure that I want the combo box to get the values from another table or query option is selected, which it is, so click next. Select the add rep table as the source. Add the add rep number, first name and last name. Sort by the add rep number in ascending. Remove the check mark from hide key column. Ensure that the add rep number is selected in the field in which to store a value. Select the store that value in this field and choose add rep number. Next, change the name to add rep number. Okay, so we will save and close. Number 4, modify the ad reps and advertisers form to match figure 4 on the following page by completing these tasks. Add rep. Open in design view. Add a text box control. We have to look on figure 4 to see where this should go approximately. So again, it looks like they have to be moved independently of one another. Create the calculated control that concatenates the first name field, space, and the last name field. So what we're going to do is just use that hint there and type in what they say. Change the label to name. If necessary, move and resize, which I did at the beginning. Save and close. Right-click Save, Close. Number 5, open the Rentals and Billboards form in Design View and use the subform subreport wizard. Place it where figure 5 tells you to. Use the billboard table as the subform, so use existing tables, that's right. Click Next. Choose from here to get your billboard table. B says select the billboard ID, location, and state from the billboard table. C, accept the default link, show. Save the subform as the default name. Last thing is just move it so that it matches where it's meant to be. We just have to resize this here, so we gotta click when it is an arrow pointing left and right. Drag it back to the 6-inch mark on the ruler like figure 5 shows you. Now, confirm it's in the right place, save, and close. Number 6, open the Rentals Master form in Design View. And use the command button wizard to add a command button with the following options. So we're going to look on figure 6 to see where it goes. There's our button. And select the form operations and close form. Next. Select the text option button with the text close form, which it is. Next. Assign the name close form. Finish. Move it approximately where it is supposed to be on figure 6. Alright, save and close. Number 7, open the Ad Rep search form in Design View. And then modify by completing the following tasks. Select the name to find control, which is this one, control. Open the property sheet for the control, so that can open up already. Click property sheet. Change the name of the control to name to find, which is over here. It says combo 12. See with the property sheet still open, select the name to find label. And then change the special effect for this label to etched. Close the property sheet. Save the changes but don't close the form. Number 8, open the advertiser financial form in design view. And then place a rectangle around the name to find label and control as shown in figure 7. Save the change to the form and then close it. Alright, so save, close. Open the billboards by state form in design view. Number 9. Add a tab control to the form in the approximate position shown in figure 8 on the following page. Okay, change the name of the first tab to data sheet. So make sure that you have the first tab selected here. This is the second tab, this is the first one. Click your property sheet and you'll see page 3. The name is right here. We want you to change that to data sheet. And no period. Alright, and now change the name of the second one to graph. So click on the second one over here again. Save the changes to the form, but don't close it. Number 10, open the rentals by advertiser form in design view and make the following changes. Delete the advertiser ID, control and label. I would just click my shift button, select the both of them and hit the delete key. You can do it individually if you like. Save the form. Switch to datasheet view. Resize all columns in the rentals by advertiser form to best fit the data they contain. So you can do it individually if you want by right-clicking field width and hitting best fit, or you can click one, click and hold your shift button to select the rest, then right-click while you're still up on the name, field width, and best fit, and they will all change at the same time. Save and close. Open the AdRep rental data form in design view. Resize the subform to the approximate size shown on figure 9 on the following page. So that's the outside. There we go. So we want to change past 6. So that one seems to be right. This is the one they want us changing. So on figure 9, it looks like this stops a little bit above 4.5. So that right there should be good. So there's a big white space here. You can see that on your figure 9. Alright, save, but don't close. Number 12, with the AdRep rental data form still open in design view, modify it to match figure 10 on the following page. Select the chart tab control, so that's this one, and then select the chart. Edit the chart object and then change the chart type to clustered. So you double click on it and you'll get a new window like this. To change your chart type to clustered bar, you'll go up here to chart type and choose bar. Change the placement of the legend to bottom. So I'm just going to get rid of this here. Our legend's right here. So you click on it, right click, format legend. Go up here to placement, choose bottom. And it switches to the bottom, like what you see on figure 10. Save and close your form. So you can just click the X right here to get out of that. Okay, so to close it down, instead of clicking the X up here, click this little button right here. It'll bring you back, and you can just right click and save it here, and close your form right there. Number 13, open the Billboard master form in design view. Add a combo box control to the form in the position in figure 11 on the following page. Alright, so up in that form header. Find 13A says to ensure the find a record, so we have to switch here. Add the city field. 13C, ensure that there's a check mark on the hotkey, which it is, so select next. Change the name to city to find. So that's what the label is now changed to. If necessary, move and resize the combo box so that it matches. Looks pretty good there. I'll just have to extend this out a little bit. So I'll wait until my arrow is on the center there, facing left and right, and open it up to about 5.5. Alright, save and close. Number 14, open the add rep combo sort form in design view. Modify the combo box control by completing the following tasks. Select the name to find control. And it's a label as the control. Open the property sheet. Mine's already open because I had it opened earlier, but we can just click up here to find it. Click the row source property. Alright, so we have to scroll down a little bit to find it. It's down here. Click the build button and sort the last names in ascending order. So the build button is the 3 dots here. Sort the last name. So this is your last name field, and here's your sort box, and sort them in ascending. So we'll choose ascending. Now save the changes, close the query window, save the changes to the form, and close the form. So save and close, save and close. You shouldn't have anything open at this point in time. If you do, just save and close it. Make sure that when you save your project, you have _2 instead of _1, so Sam will take it for evaluation. And you are finished your project.